just like that, we're back. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Trying to buckle up here. We are here in the Fox body today. Right now we are going to Joe's. We are going to wash our cars, do a review on his Ford Focus, and some other stuff. He has some other stuff planned. It's really dark right now, I'm sorry. We just pulled up to Joe's house. We have the car shoved into second gear. We're kind of on a downhill right now. I know it's not the best for the car, but I don't have an e-brake right now. We definitely have to get that put in soon. Look at Joe's Focus, just sitting there. It's so pretty. Oh, look how pretty his Focus is. We are going to do a review on that in just a little bit here. We have to go wash our cars first, pick up our friend Corey, and then probably make a coffee run. So quick little detour. We just went and got gas. I picked up a Monster. I usually don't drink Monsters, but I needed something with a lid instead of getting coffee because I don't have cup holders, which need to come soon. I also need new seat belts because the retractors on the seat belts don't actually work. I have plans for seat belts later on. I don't know how quickly I want to get those done. I kind of want to change the seats and get the seat belts when the car is the color I want it, but that's not going to happen for a while, so I think I should just fold and get the seat belts that I need now. All right, we're all washed up and now we're heading to go get Corey. We got the whole squad rolling deep. Just an absolute glorious sight to see. We have the whole squad. I don't even know if you can hear me because of my engine right now, but we are rolling deep right now. We're going to get Corey, then we're heading to the body shop, I believe. Joe has some headliner work he needs to get done, so we're gonna head there and go do that. And then later on in the video, we should have a whole review on Joe's Focus. So stay tuned.
It was right after I dropped Corey off. I was like, damn. He was like, what's done to it? You know, I gotta hit him with the usual. Just bolt-ons. Just the bolt-ons, bro. That's all they need to know.
So change of plans now. We're going to get drill bits. Where's your headliner?
Rice car things, you know. Gotta treat it right. Baby her.
Look at the Fox body we found with the smoked headlights. Just gorgeous. Absolutely nice wheels. Kind of looks like the same color as mine. He has the side dump exhaust. This thing is nice. Damn, that's insane. That thing's quick. It's just straight torque.
Very nice, very nice. Here's the rundown. We got to drill out all these holes here. Then we're going to feed each one of these through pretty easily, hopefully. I'll say that now. Through each drill hole. And then trim up and throw them in the car. Boom, bam, bow. We're getting this done. It's going to be looking like a Rolls Royce after Rolls Royce.
The Rolls Focus.
We'll get it done.
Would you say this is the most tedious part?
This is probably going to be the most tedious part.
300 LEDs. And look who showed up. We have Jesus's half white, half purple Golf GTI. We actually unwrapped the one half. We unwrapped that half last night. That was pretty fun. I didn't have the camera on me because the battery was charging, but this thing is kind of sick. He needs to get new wheels though. What are those? How's it going?
A little bit tedious, but this bitch gonna be looking flossy when we done.
That's a little bit of a mess right now, but he's currently in the, we pretty much put them all through the holes. He's pretty much just organizing them, making it all look perfect.
And then we're gonna be rocking and rolling.
What is going on, you guys? We've been at this for probably about 5 hours now. Currently we're waiting on Taco Bell, then we're gonna take the Fox body. We're gonna take it home, put her back in the garage for the night. Then Joe is actually gonna pick me up in his Focus, and then we are going to come back here, finish up the Starlight headliner. I don't really know if we have anything else planned. We're still gonna get like a rundown on his on Joe's car, but it's not gonna be like as in-depth as we planned because, you know, we're just on time, like time constraints with the sunlight running out. And just like that, look who's pulling up. Jesus with the food. Dude, it's coming together. All we have to do is put it in, cut it, then it's done. Be pretty sad to watch the Focus burn down. We still have to get to what, version 3?
Version 3. V3 in the making. Well, not in the making right now because this is still V2, but you'll get it.
It's gonna be hot.
Hey, Jesus.
You owe me $9.
Okay.
There you go.
Hey, just leave it like that, honestly. It looks kind of cool.
Oh, we.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good. It shut off and shut the car off.
I like how
After like
everybody
9
says
hours of work.
it's worth it. Save myself like $600 worth damage. You got here trying to be so sussy. Man, that shit is wet as hell though.
This package is fucked up. How do you get that bad?
I don't know. Here. I know you like that. I watched you rip open the package.
Yeah.
Disgraceful.
Open it up, bro.
Oh, he said.
FRS too?
Oh my god.
Pink one? You know how hard it was to find that bitch? He said, I'm gonna open it.
Right there.
Didn't you find like 3 today though?
He told me if I can open it if I want to.
I mean, it is your
I
collection.
mean, might as well. Whatever. You're gonna be pissed one day when you're like, damn, they're all fucking open, then nobody wants to buy them.
Oh no, this one would have been $300 if I didn't open it.
Now it's 20 cents.
Like, oh, it just fell out. Yeah, alright.
Wow. That's what I'm saying. It's like, that's why I put it down. It just fell off. I mean, to be fair, I think it did because it fell off like this.
It did.
Yes, it was. I told you to fucking leave it alone. You can't do it. After how many times did I tell you to put it down?
One time.
No, like.
There was one Daytona 392. I was going to ask him if he wanted to race, but it looked like they was participating in some illegal activities.
She got the Applebee's going, bro.
Probably illegal, but it looked like they were definitely doing some shady shit, you know. in that bitch for way longer than I was in that bitch. It was there before I got there.
Oh,
and
the
it was
fucking
still there after I left there.
Yeah, look, what y'all
And they
doing?
was still watching the same car, and I was like, damn, I take long watching my car.
That's
so
what I'm
what the fuck is
saying.
going on with you?
And the thing was closed.
The
So I'm like,
front end
whoa.
was closed. There was some suspicious shit going on there.
I still gotta go back to criminal tomorrow.
Damn!
Here, try it right here. See
Damn!
if this one's better. Do it that way. Oh. Look at that, much better. And it's lost.
And it's gone.
Is it working?
Come on, hey Joe, hit us one more time. Hit us one. There.
There we go. It's coming together.
It's a real kid, bro. I can't.
This car does need a wash though. I mean, I can't blame the kid. It is now almost midnight. We're still at the shop, still installing it. He's cutting the wires right now. and the final product should be done right now.
Where's my little dipper? I have a little dipper somewhere back there. Let me see.
You actually mapped out a little dipper?
It should be by your head somewhere.
Is it? Oh, right here. Dude, right here is a little dipper.
Yeah.
Hey, that's lit.
It literally took us all day.
The whole
day.
Fuck, I don't even know what time it is. It's like midnight, ain't it?
It's like midnight. We got here at like 2 o'clock.
Yeah, a good 8-hour job.
Crazy. It turned out nice. This thing sounds absolutely sick. Oh, this is the money shot, Joe.
We can clean this bitch.
Again?
Look at all these handprints.
I actually lied. The job ended up being about 10 hours because we got there at 2. We did take a little bit of a break, a few breaks, but what do you say, about 8 hours total in work time?
Yeah.
2 hours combined in breaks. Yeah, it was a fun day. Fun day.
Man, should I put socks on?
I-
So, this is my short-term build, and by short-term I mean long-term, about 3 years. 2013 Ford Focus. Pretty simple stuff. This is a second motor actually. Saucy stuff like that. Full bolt-ons with a nice 2867R on it. We like to keep that on the down low. Half and half wrap. I call it Thanos snap. At least that's what I imagined it when I wanted it designed out. Retrofitted lights. SSRs, GTX 01. And she's a daily driver as well too.
And this is actually version 2 of the car. What was version 1 like?
Version 1 was like OEM plus plus. So it had the carbon hood, but it was full yellow on some ambits. Pretty solid setup. Stock turbo.
And version 3 is gonna be even better. I know the plans, but I don't think he's gonna reveal that.
That's gonna be for a while. That's gonna be saved. We haven't really got to enjoy this yet. I've missed a lot.
Yeah, he's still actually working on version 2 right now, which is absolutely insane because this car is already insane as it is. What about the exhaust? That's not stock.
That is a good old-fashioned straight pipe. That's all you need. No cats. No check engine lights either. Be smart about it. We pass emissions.
And you're gapping 392s?
Yeah. I've raced a couple stock ones and I've raced a headers one. I wouldn't say, I don't know about a full bolt-on one, but I'm always down to try. So 392s, holla at your boy.
Yes, sir.
All right, Corey.
All right, bro. It was good hanging out with you.
It was good seeing you today.
Hell yeah.
Good hanging out. Damn, the turbo whistle. It just sounds so nice, dude. And back off to Michigan he goes. Hope he drives safe. What a long, exhausting day. I just realized I forgot to record an outro, so I'm gonna record it right now really quick, short and sweet. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification to stay tuned. Get all the latest updates on when I upload. Stay tuned for the Fox body build. That's gonna go underway soon. I'm measuring for one of the modifications in the next video, so I hope you guys do enjoy. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.